What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 39. Today's video I'm going to review the Amz Doge. Okay, so it's been a minute, it's been a month that I first joined this project, and if you're not familiar with the Amz Doge, I've got a step-by-step tutorial how to get started and how to essentially make money. So with this project you can make from 1.5% all the way to 3% daily. Okay, and the cool thing about this project that I like it so much, so your funds are only staked for the month, for the duration that your trade are in. So you can lock your fund for 2 hours all the way to 15 days. Okay, so after, for example, 2 hours, your funds will be unlocked, and if you want to cash out from the project, you can. Okay, it takes from 5 minutes to half an hour to get your funds into your account. So essentially, so this is an arbitrage platform. Okay, you deposit your money and then they will use your funds to invest in arbitrage so they can make money and give you money. So currently I have another stake going on, 247 just now. Okay, and if you click over here, we can see when I started and when it's going to expire and the invested amount. Okay, so every 2 hours a yellow icon will pop up right here. All you gotta do is click on the yellow icon and you will get a few cents for your click. Okay, just rewards. Okay, and if you come to finish, if you click on one of these trades, we can see the invested amount, the date, when you started, when you finished, the invested amount, total income, the profits that I made in one day. Okay, obviously the platform will take the cut. Okay, the cut for the platform is here, and my total income was here after taxes. Okay, 591. Okay, and over here, if you scroll down, we can see where the money was invested, and details. We can see which coins the platform trade in and the amount of earnings. Okay, really cool. Okay, another thing that I would like to say is I started my journey with this project a month ago. Okay, and if you go all the way down, we can see that I started with 100 bucks. Okay, start doing adding up, and then I decided to add another 100 bucks. Okay, and then my journey started. Okay, as you can see right here, going up, 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 and then once I reached 400 bucks. Okay, was around here somewhere. Okay, once I reached 400 bucks. Okay, I decided to cash out. So I cashed out everything. Okay, where was it? I think it was around here. Was around here. Okay, so once I reached 400 bucks, I've cashed out everything. Okay, and then I was like, okay, now I'm risk free because I cashed out my initial plus my rewards. Okay, so I'm risk free, so I decided to go again, and this started with 10 bucks. Come on. So I started with 10 bucks right here, okay, on the 21st of January, and then just compounding the interests plus referral commissions and all that, and from there just building up, compounding, and led me to 247 currently invested in. Okay, so that's the beauty about this project. Okay, so once you're in, you can keep compounding. Make sure you take profits along the way, okay guys, but keep compounding. And also, if you can get a team behind you, all right, so you and your team will keep on winning because you all be making money. Okay, and then the cool feature that they just released, so you might be aware of the magic dog. So when you start the platform, you will get a free dog for 21 days. After 21 days, you will have to buy a dog. Okay, now they have the sign-in feature. Okay, so this means if you sign in for 7 days straight, you will get a free 30-day magic dog. If you sign in for 30 days straight, you will get a free 90-day magic dog. So that will save you money buying those dogs. So a 30-day dog costs you 10 bucks, and 90-day dog costs you 29 bucks. Okay, so it's worth to come here once a day, sign in while you're making those trades, and why not sign in and get a free dog eventually, right? And essentially that's it, guys. So I just wanted to give you an update about the Amz Doge. It's been a minute since last time I spoke about this project, but I'm still rolling with it. I'm still compounding, getting that passive income, and then yeah, once I reach another limit, I will then cash out and rinse up. Repeat the cycle, make more money until the project stops. I don't know when the project will stop or if eventually will stop, okay? But while the project is printing, we are rolling with it, we are making money with it and enjoying the ride, okay? So if you are interested in this project, I would recommend you to watch this video right here. Link's going to be down in the description so you can see step by step how to get started with this project. It's very simple. So once you are up and running, all you got to do is come over here once a day. It takes you about 2 minutes maximum. You come over here, you sign in, boom. You come over here, click sign in, check in now, boom, done. Okay, after that, you select the trade, you select the amount of days. So me, I just go for 24 hours so I can compound every 24 hours. Okay, so you select the trade and that's it. All right, so you confirm everything and your strategy will pop up right here. So once the period is over, okay, this amount of investment that I invested right here will go to my balance plus my rewards, my profits from those trades that I made on that day. And that's it, guys. And then the following day, you just repeat the cycle, right? They're also been sharing posts about the community, okay? People from Portugal, people from South Africa, and all over the world sharing their journey, sharing their profits, how much they made, what did they buy, and everything, okay? So the project is doing amazingly well, okay guys? So yes, why not? Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.